As millions of Filipinos prepare to travel for the upcoming Undas observance, the PNP Highway Patrol Group has ramped up its efforts to ensure safe travels. Authorities are especially focused on monitoring colorum vehicles and preventing fraudulent rental schemes that commonly arise during the peak season. Ryan Lisiges tells us more.
The influx of passengers at various bus terminals is expected as many rush home to their provinces for the upcoming observance sa Undas this year. Because of this, the PNP Highway Patrol Group has intensified its monitoring against colorum vehicles that may take advantage of the surge in passengers.
Unang-una dapat po ang mga kolorum po kasing sasakyan ay hindi po talaga din otorisado ng LTFRB at ng ating pong Land Transportation Office. At kung ito po ninyo ay masangkot po sa anumang pong kaguluhan, mapakrimenpan po or any traffic accident, mahirap din sa isang banda ng mga biktima yung patungkol din sa mga insurances. At sa isang banda rin po, ito rin po kasi talaga din ay paglabag po sa ating pong batas. Kaya maaring magkaroon po ito ng pangit na resulta, hindi lamang din po sa driver and even nga din po sa passenger po, ito pong sasakyan po na gagamitin po.
According to PNP HPG spokesperson Police Lieutenant Naday Malang, they will also monitor the possible rise in rentangay scheme incidents. It is common, he said, for such cases to increase during Undas.
Kung ito po ay parerenta po natin sa mga private individual, marapat lamang po na kilalanin po nila ang kanila po magiging kliyente. At mararapat lang din po nawa na ito po ay kanila po maipalagay po sa mga prangkisa po kagaya po ng LTFRB. Kung ito man din po talaga din po ay pribado, marapat din po talaga din na maglagay po ng mga tracking devices para po at least ma-monitor din po natin ang paggalaw po ng ating pong mga sarili pong sasakyan or mga pinapaupahan po na sasakyan.
In total, about 1,500 HPG personnel have been deployed to assist motorists. They are stationed at 141 cemeteries and columbaria. HPG personnel are also deployed on major thoroughfares to assist motorists who may experience vehicle breakdowns on the road.
Ang Luzon, Visayas region and even the Mindanao region ay binigyan po ng red teaming ng ating pong Director HPG na kung saan ang ating pong command group together with our division chiefs ay nahati din po sa tatlo na kung saan sila po rin ang mismong mag-i-inspect randomly or regularly dito nga po sa days na nabanggit po natin. At kasama nga din po dito yung mga bus terminals and even mga ports.
The PNP HPG reminds motorists traveling this Undas to check Dr. Blowbaguettes for safe travel. Meanwhile, the PNP has urged the public to exercise maximum vigilance against common crimes that occurred during the observance of All Saints and All Souls Day. Acting PNP Chief Police Lieutenant General Jose Melencio Nartates Jr. stressed the importance of citizen awareness as the first line of defense against criminals. At the same time, the PNP Chief assured to implement proactive measures aimed at strengthening public safety and ensuring a peaceful and orderly observance of Undas nationwide. He also advised the public to avoid bringing large amounts of cash when visiting cemeteries, columbaria, and other memorial sites this Undas. Nartates directed all regional and provincial commanders to identify and monitor local areas of concern such as crowded cemeteries and transport terminals for proper deployment. The police intelligence units were also instructed to closely monitor potential criminal groups and other threat actors. It can be recalled that over 50,000 police personnel have been deployed nationwide as the PNP was placed on heightened alert from October 29 to November 3. Ryan Lisiges from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.